Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Eldar in Dawn of War. To begin, focus on establishing your presence on the map. Build your first webway gate on a high-value strategic point. Immediately train a Farseer and 2 Guardian squads. Use your Guardians to capture nearby resource points, securing your early economy. The Farseer is excellent for scouting and disrupting enemy plans with her powerful psychic abilities, giving you a significant early game edge. As you move into the mid-game, expand your base by constructing a soul shrine. This unlocks powerful units like Dire Avengers and Warlocks. Pair Dire Avengers with a Warlock for increased damage and survivability, creating a formidable infantry force. Deploy Vipers for rapid assaults and to quickly eliminate isolated enemy units. Remember to continuously reinforce your strategic points to maintain map control and resource flow. In the late game, your focus shifts to deploying the Eldar's most potent forces. Construct a support portal to gain access to heavy vehicles and aircraft. The Fire Prism offers incredible area of effect damage, capable of wiping out entire enemy squads. Wraithlords are excellent for soaking up damage and engaging in melee combat. A Falcon Grav tank provides fast troop deployment and additional firepower, making your army highly mobile and versatile. To truly master the Eldar, learn to effectively use your webway gate network for swift troop movements across the map. The Farseer's Doom ability significantly reduces enemy armor, while Guide boosts your unit's accuracy. Always leverage the Eldar's superior speed and agility to outmaneuver opponents and execute devastating flanking attacks. Prioritize destroying enemy power generators to severely hinder their unit production and research capabilities, securing your victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.